The videos you just watched were created using Google VEO 3.1, completely free. As you can see, the quality is amazing, with no watermark at all. These videos even include background sound. And you can also create dialogue-based videos just like this. Now I'll show you the complete process step by step, so let's move to the laptop screen. First, open your browser and go to Google Chrome. Now, in the search bar, type Google Opal. You will see the Opal experiment at the top, click on it. Once the website opens, look at the top corner. You will see a sign-in option, click on it. Then choose Continue with Google and select your Gmail account. As soon as your account is created, you will see a welcome screen saying, Welcome to Opal. You can simply click Confirm and move ahead. Now click on Create New Project. A new interface will appear in front of you. At the top, you will see a Generate option, click on it. After that, go to the side panel and click on the Edit option. From here, select the model VEO. Then scroll down and open Advanced Settings. Make sure the model version is set to VEO 3.1. Now choose your aspect ratio. I recommend 16:9 for landscape videos. You can also select portrait if you want vertical content. Now it's time to add your prompt. You can generate a prompt using ChatGPT based on your video idea. Just paste your prompt here. After adding the prompt, click on the preview option. Refresh it once, then click Got it. Now click on the Start button below. Within less than a minute, your video will be generated. And the best part is, there is no watermark. You can already see the video loading on your screen. Once it's ready, you can preview the result. The quality is really impressive and looks very professional. To download it, click on the three dots and select Download. Now let's create another video using a different prompt. Again, I will paste a new prompt generated from ChatGPT. I will keep the aspect ratio the same, 16:9. Click on Preview, refresh it once, and then click Start. This video will also be generated very quickly. And the results are again really amazing. Now let me show you how to create image to video animation. Go back to the main interface and click on User Input. Then connect User Input with the Generate section. Once connected, go to User Input Settings. Here, select Input Type as Image. Now click on the Generate box and write a simple prompt. For example, you can write Animate this image. You can also write a more detailed prompt for better results. After that, click on Preview and refresh it once. Now click on Start. As soon as you do that, you will see an Upload File option below. Click on the plus icon and upload your image from your device. Even with a simple prompt, the results are very impressive. Once the video is ready, you can download it the same way. Click on the three dots and save it to your device. No watermark, high quality, and ready to use. So this is how you can use VEO 3.1 with the Opal Experiment AI tool to create videos for free. It's simple, fast, and very powerful. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, make sure to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.